Understanding the type code for the Kollmorgen EB-C explosion proof motor, the EB-102-A-11-B3. EB denotes a rated current of 230 volts. 10 denotes a frame size of 100 millimeters. 2 denotes a stack length of 2. A denotes a winding. 1 denotes a 609 mm flying lead connection option. 1 denotes a standard metric mounting option. B3 denotes the presence of a 24V DC fail-safe brake. FAQ. What is the continuous stall torque? The continuous stall torque is 0.84 Newton-meters. What is the maximum speed of this motor? The maximum speed is 7,500 revolutions per minute. How many poles does this motor have? It has 4 poles. How much does this motor weigh? It weighs 2.5 kilograms. What is the measured brake torque? The brake torque is 2.3 Newton-meters. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Kollmorgen motor sales and replacements.